Welcome to Chrisman Garage. We've got us a 2006 Silverado Trump Edition. Okay, down with that. Big wide tires, jacked all up. She acts stupid sometimes, fellas. I'm just telling you. Sometimes you crank it up and it should just won't take the gas. We've done a fair amount of troubleshooting on this, a fair amount of research. We think it's the mass airflow. I'm gonna show y'all how to change it. Hang on. All right, first thing, fellas, when you're working on a truck like this, yep, got to have something to stand on, especially when you're vertically challenged like I am. All right, this truck has got the old K&N module switch over. We've already cleaned on this and done a bunch of troubleshooting. This is your old mass airflow right here. So I'm gonna show you. It's just some like 5/32 Allen wrenches, 8mm 5/16 nut driver. She'll pop right off. Here we go. All right, we got the old Blue Streak. She's got a lifetime warranty. We're gonna knock this off. Take the air cleaner off back here, just like that. Set her right there out of the way. And what we've got a plug here. You got to pull the gray piece back, match the clip. She pops right out. Now, we did a lot of troubleshooting on this. We checked voltage, we watched graphs, we watched maps, we did all kinds of stuff. That's why I'm saying we've done our due diligence as to, this is 5/32, y'all. I don't know if it's the same on the stock units or not. But matter of fact, we might just take it off right there too. We'll set this old hose pipe right out of the way, just like that. Now y'all can see what we're working with. We're gonna take, it's just 3 Allen screws, at least on this aftermarket unit. That's all it is. We'll take one, set that where it'll roll off and you'll lose it. Yep, going for number 2 here. And 3. Now this particular unit has got a big aluminum bezel back here for the air filter to sit on. I'll show y'all what that looks like. See that? Sit it right there, then this thing will pop right out. It's got a gasket on this side and a gasket on the other side, but there's your old one right there, fellas. So we'll take this new one here. She's pretty. There. Nice looking. Take this cover off real gentle, like I said, we've already cleaned the air filter real good. We did it yesterday. We're gonna stick this right back up there, right on through the old unit here. We'll get this ready to go. And we'll just start our screws back in there. The factory unit, I believe, has a big plastic box over here that this thing still screws on too, but it clips and all for the for the other piece. We're going to tighten these screws up, and I'll get back with y'all when I get it back all on. Let y'all know what we got. Yeah. I will say we're not 100% sure this fixed it or not, but it was coming down all crazy. Sometimes it would stay idle up high, sometimes it would come down low, sometimes it would dip down. It's came back. It's idling about 500. It's came back to 500 every single time. So I'll keep y'all posted if it does something crazy or not, but I think we got it fixed. So y'all remember, until next time, she's giving trouble. She's probably going to the bad.